Here we have a 2012 FLHTCU Ultra Classic in vivid black. This is for those looking for that open road touring, living life on the road, multiple days, even weeks at a time. Classic Harley-Davidson badging. Has that 103 cubic inch engine. Lowers, block that wind. Floorboards. Has a 6-speed transmission. Nice deep bucket on the driver's seat, as well as a Tour Pak. Have your passenger feeling like they're in a recliner. Does have these saddlebags with Tour Pak. You can fit 2 full face helmets in here and lock it away. Plenty of storage. Overnight bag, extra layers, tools. Does have some American custom slip-ons. A lot of added chrome. Leather guards for the tops of your bags. Keep from boot scuff. 103 badging. CB intercom port, so you can attach a headset, and the rear has a CB intercom port as well, so you can talk with your passenger. Center fill gas cap. All of your gauges up on the fairing. The iconic Batwing fairing, fork mounted, so when you move the handlebars, the fairing follows. And we're looking at 14,270 miles on the odometer. Does have these beautiful factory 47 meat hook style ape-hangers. You have cruise control, audio control, all of that stuff from the handlebars. Makes it nice and easy. Added highway pegs, give your legs a nice stretch. And LED lighting up front. Make sure you're seen and you can see. Ultra Classic badging. Let's go ahead and hear a cold start. LED lighting underneath the Tour Pak. Make sure you're seen coming down the road.